Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Problem Solving Part 1. We teach basic skills to students so that they can become good problem solvers. In mathematics, problem solving is a higher order skill and students need to improve their problem solving skills as they move through the various grades. The following are a few examples of problems that we could give to kindergarten students. As teachers, we provide whatever prompts are needed in the initial stages. Example 1. What is the total number of legs for the chickens in the picture? Now you teach students how to do the working, that is, how to set out the steps in a nice, easy and straightforward manner. The first thing they can write is the number of chickens equals 2. So here we are, there are our 2 chickens. You can teach them or remind them that each chicken has 2 legs. So each time you see a chicken, we have 2 legs there and 2 legs there. So the total number of legs is 2 plus 2 equals 4. So try and teach them how problem solving is a very logical process and they just follow the steps in a logical manner. From the outset, we must impress upon students that they must show working when solving problems. Example 2. For the picture below, Johnny and his dad caught 3 fish each. How many fish did they catch altogether? The solution, so if we put Johnny plus dad, when it says altogether, just show the students that here we have addition, that is, we're adding or there's a sum involved. So if they caught 3 fish each, so 3 for Johnny and 3 for Dad, 3 plus 3 is 6 fish. Problem solving normally involves some form of reading. We then try to understand what the reading is asking us to do, and we then embark on our journey of solving the problem. Example 3. Ted had 3 marbles and Sue had 4 marbles. How many marbles were there altogether? So there's an altogether. So it's got to do with addition. So the solution, the total marbles would be 3 plus 4, and that gives us 7 marbles. Example 4. Here we have the first boat with 1 fisherman, and here we have the second boat with 2 people fishing. In the first boat, the man caught 3 fish. In the second boat, Dad caught 4 fish, and Billy caught 2 fish. How many fish were caught altogether? So remember, altogether has to do with addition. We're adding up. So we have the man, Dad and Billy, 3 plus 4 plus 2. We add those together and we get 9 fish. Example 5. On a farm there were 2 chooks, 1 horse and 1 cow. How many legs were there altogether for these 3 animals? There's the word altogether again. So it's to do with addition. So we write down the 3 animals. Now there were 2 chooks, so 1 chook has 2 legs and the other one has 2 legs. 1 horse has 4 legs, 1 cow has 4 legs. When we add 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4, we get 12 legs altogether. So this video has introduced students to some basic problem solving, and we have to impress upon students that they have to read the question carefully and try and understand what it's asking. And very importantly, impress upon them that they must show some form of working.